So let's start where we stopped from last video. Okay, so we selected this one and two. You can create multiple means how many columns row available here of standard models iterations 3 4 5 6 anything. Okay, but before clicking that in create parts, we need to check is our saving directory is correct or not. For this, we need to expand the settings and please save the family save directory where you want to the save. Otherwise, it's save in the in any ghost. Okay, so I select the directory and now after selecting this two, I clicking create parts. Now it's just see the created member standard part both the files. Okay, just close this by clicking OK. Okay, just go to the that folder. So you are able to see these two files are created, standard and standard 2. Okay, so before that I saving this one and close everything in NX. Okay, just just compare the file size of part families model and the original model we created, that is the expression based model. So 170 KB and 153 KB. I'm opening the both the model parallelly in double click standard. Okay, the history is, if you see parametric, it's a parametric model. Then open the second one, standard one. Okay, then I'm opening the expression based model also. Okay, the three model is created. Okay, actually why I open this model too, because I want to show here the symbol is different. That is the read only, and is the actual one. Okay, so in this model or in this second model, you can't save this model if you change anything. Before changing anything, you need to save as this model with a different name, and then you need to start working on that. Okay, I show you the example. If I directly click on the save button, then here it's showing the following object failed to save. That's anything, this one also and this one also. I show you this one also. This is the part family model, and model 2 is the actual expression based model. If I save, it's okay. Okay, uh, let's see the example with the standard model. This is a not saving. Okay, so go to the file, save as option, and in save as option I'm selecting this one 3 part file and clicking OK with same directory. Okay, then if you will see this read only symbols change, and it's now it's act as a normal model. Now you can save this or change any operations here. Okay, so I need to show you the dimension difference. Okay, so it's possible to or not here with adding the standard 2 model or not. Let's see once. Don't know why it's not coming. Okay, I think it's not coming, but it's in standard 2 I show you the difference. Okay, in standard 2 I show the dimensions here by checking the values. This diameter it's 100 mm. Let's check. change the D1 to 100 mm, then D2 80 and 50. Let's check the this diameter, it's 80 mm, then this diameter is 50 mm. Okay, dimension is updated in standard 2. Okay, like that you use that part families. Okay, thank you.